energy or move objects. It works when flowing water pushes the blades, causing the wheel to spin. The stronger the water flow, the faster the wheel rotates. Water wheels have been used since time, especially by the breeds or environments, to help with farming and grinding with into flow. They make work easy and reduce the need for human effort. Water wheels are usually made from strong materials such as wood, iron, or steel. Today, they are still used to generate hydroelectric power and are also popular as science projects for children because they are easy to understand and fun to learn about.
Through the water wheel mini project, children will be able to explore and understand basic science concepts to hands-on learning experience. They're learning that flowing water has force and can create movement, causing the water wheel to spin. During the activity, the children observe what happened when water was poured into the wheel and discover how the speed of the water flow affected the wheel rotation. This activity helped them understand the relationship between cause and effect, where encouraging curiosity, observation skill, and scientific thinking. The hands-on approach make learning science more engaging, meaningful, and easier for the children to understand.
T stands for technology. Children were able to understand how a simple technology such as a water wheel use the power of flowing water to create movement. R for religion. Through the water wheel mini project, children learn to appreciate water as a blessing from God. They develop moral values as a gratitude, responsibility, patience, and cooperation while building the water wheel together. By observing how flowing water moves the wheel, children can appreciate the greatness of God and the beauty of nature. This activity helps to nurture good character and spiritual awareness.
Next, engineering. Children explore how a water wheel is designed and constructed to spin effectively when water flows away.
For the art parts, the children decorate the water wheel creatively using color ice cream stick and flowers as decoration. This attractive decoration made the water wheel more beautiful, colorful, and enjoyable. This activity also helped to enhance the children's interest, creativity, and imagination during the learning process. The water wheels activity helps children learn basic mathematics by counting rotation, comparing speed, recognizing patterns, and understanding simple measurement and time concept in a fun way. For phase 1, which is the inquiry phase, we conducted an initial exploration activity to introduce the concept of a water wheel to the children. During this phase, we asked several questions to stimulate the children's thinking, such as: how does a water wheel move? What causes a water wheel to spin? Can a water wheel function without electricity? And what material can be used to make a water wheel? Lastly, why did people create water wheels? Through these questions, the children were encouraged to share their ideas, experience, and prior knowledge. They were also given opportunities to think critically and make predictions about how a water will work. This activity successfully increased the children's interest and curiosity about the topic and prepare them for the next phase of the project.
During phase 2, which is the exploration phase, the children were introduced the concept of a water wheel. They watched a tutorial video and observed a water wheel model made from recycled material. The children explore how the water wheel works and discover that floating water causes the wheel to rotate. They also identify the material used to build the water wheel and discuss the observations. Through this activity, the children develop their observation, communication, and critical thinking skills while gaining a better understanding of the water wheel concept.
Next is a phase 3, which is the designing phase. During the phase, the teacher prepared a design sketch of the water wheel project as a good before the construction process began. Level 1 represent the water wheel leads, which are made from ice cream stick and bottle cap. This component receives the flow of water and enable wheel to rotate. Level 2 indicate the water source, which is a position at top of the structure. Water flow through the tube and strike the plate, causing the water wheel to spin. Level 3 is a present the angle. The angle is function as the central shaft, the support and connect the water wheel, allowing it to rotate smoothly and steadily. Level 7 refer to the water collection container. This container is used to collect and hold the water that flow from the water source. It helps keep the project area organized and allow the water to be used during the activity. The design sketch helps children understand the arrangement and function of each component before the construction process takes place. It also provides a clear visual guide on how the water wheel operates.
Children were very excited to see and play with the water wheel made by the teacher. Through this activity, the children were able to observe how the flow of water can move the water wheel and learn basic science concepts such as water flow, force, and motion. In addition, they also interacted, shared ideas, and cooperated with their friends throughout this activity. With the teacher's guidance, the children were able to understand how the water wheel works, making this activity an enjoyable and meaningful learning experience that increased their interest in science.
In conclusion, the water wheel mini project was successfully carried out to achieve its objective. Through this activity, children learn how the movement of water can create force and make a wheel spin. They were able to explore basic science concepts through hands-on experience, making learning more interesting and enjoyable. The project also helped children develop important skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. They had an opportunity to observe, test, and improve their water wheel while learning from the result. In addition, the activity encouraged teamwork and communication as a team worked together and shared ideas with their peers. Overall, the water wheel mini project provided a meaningful and enjoyable learning experience. It helped children gain and better understand of simple swimming concept while building their confidence, curiosity, and interest in learning through exploration.